Dear friends, greetings. Today I am preparing a very simple cake, so stay with me until the very end. We need 6 eggs for this cake. I used medium-sized eggs. It is necessary to separate the yolks from the whites. For the preparation of chocolate cream, thermal processing of egg yolk is required. Beat with a whisk until the mixture turns light yellow. Add 200 grams of melted dark chocolate to the egg yolks and combine the mixture with a mixer. Leave the prepared mixture to cool completely. To prepare coconut biscuits, you will need egg white. Gradually add 6 spoons of sugar to the egg whites and beat until stiff. Add 100 grams of coconut crumbs and combine without using a mixer. Line a mold with a diameter of 24 centimeters with baking paper. Spread the mixture evenly and bake at a temperature of 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Leave the biscuit to cool completely. First, combine 200 grams of butter and 6 spoons of powdered sugar with a fork and then whip it into a foam with the help of a mixer. Add the cooled chocolate and combine the mixture. And for decoration, you need to whip 200 milliliters of whipped cream or sweet cream. Spread the chocolate filling evenly on the biscuit, then the whipped cream. I recommend chilling the cake in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight. After cooling, my cake looks like this. For decoration, I used Raffaello balls and some coconut. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, leave me a like or subscribe to the channel for free. Until the next video, greetings.